Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate Facebook trending AI photo with our face. Okay, let's get into it guys. To create Facebook trending AI photo, we're going to use Nano Banana feature on Gemini. So first of all, you can open up gemini.google.com and you're going to choose tools here and then choose create images. And then you can upload your image to Gemini. You can select the image that you want to edit like this, and then you can add the prompt here. And then basically you can add any prompt and the AI will generate a photo according to your prompt. And then I'm going to show you guys some prompts that you can use to create trending AI photo. Okay, I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, wait, I'm going to remove the uploaded photo. Okay, let's try the first one. You can create holding roses trending AI photo like this guys. And then you can add this prompt and you can modify the prompt because this prompt is for a woman. Okay, this is the prompt for holding roses photo like this. And the second one, you can add elevator. You can create elevator photo like this. Okay, you can add this prompt. You can upload your photo and add this prompt. And for each prompt, I'm going to add it to the description. Okay, this is one of the trending photo on Facebook. And then you can also take a photo with your favorite celebrity. Okay, like this. You can upload your favorite celebrity or you can upload the younger version of yourself. You can create this kind of Polaroid photo. And the next one, wait, I'm going to select this photo. Okay, this figure, 3D figure. Okay, and this is for the prompt. And you can create an image like this. And then wait, I'm going to show you the photo on the mountain. Okay, you can create this mountain photo and you can add this prompt. You can also make yourself in a forest or on the beach. It's up to you. You just need to modify the prompt. And okay guys, that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.